There ain't no other stage that I'd rather be on right now with y'all, man. It gotta give you chills, man. We one step away. Everybody watching, let's go out here and do our thing. We're gonna earn everything today.
Let's go! Let's go!
On the dirt.
The 12th start in an AFC Championship game for Tom Brady.
You better believe it.
Third all-time for the Jacksonville Jaguars, a team that won only 3 games last year.
Let's go, fellas, let's go!
First and goal, Jags from the 4 of the Patriots. Play fake. They throw to the right corner of the end zone for Mercedes Lewis. Touchdown, Jacksonville! Give to Fournette running to the middle of the field, lowers his shoulders. Touchdown! Touchdown! Leonard Fournette and the Jags have extended the lead here at Gillette Stadium.
It's awful quiet here, boys.
7:06 to play in the half.
Listen to me. We don't start playing more aggressive, tackling better, and keeping our leverage. None of that matters. You understand me? It's about fundamentals. We're not getting off blocks. We're not knocking a lot of scrimmage back. We're not tackling in the hole. Do that first. More aggressive, more physical, everything, all right?
I like this type of game, bro.
When they score, one thing we got to do that we ain't been doing well, bro, is keep going out there pressuring. Keep putting that pressure on them. We get up and we let them come back, bro. We let them come back, bro. I'm gonna keep it a G. We let them. It ain't nothing they do different. We let them.
Hey, do your job, right? We don't need to do the impossible. Go down and score, huh? Here we go, D. Let's go. 26.
You're not strong enough. You're not strong enough, 15. Ah, shut up.
26.
Shotgun for Brady. Pump fake. Looking, fires to the middle of the field, wants Gronkowski. Incomplete. And now they're going to call targeting.
Gronk is slow to get up.
Gronk walking to the far side, attended to by medical personnel.
Rob Gronkowski officially ruled out.
26.
Brady drops to throw. Fires deep along the left sideline. That ball is, they're going to call pass interference. It's incomplete.
I don't see how in the world you can call that.
How?
I didn't throw.
How? In football, you can look and lean.
He's facing him, driving him out
His
of
head
bounds.
was back.
He was driving
They
him out
showed
of
it on the
bounds.
jumbotron.
The ball
His
was
head
inside.
was back.
He's cutting him off, driving him outside. He can't drive him out when the ball comes.
If your head is back, yes you can. Yes you can.
That is unbelievable. That's such a poor call in a championship game.
Brady takes the snap, hands it to White, runs it left into the end zone. Touchdown, Patriots!
Got a ball game here, boys.
It's us. It's us. Every time we let them, we're not letting them today. That's the facts, bro. We're not letting them today, bro. Every time it happens, we let them, bro. We gotta keep it real with ourselves, fam. Every time it happens.
Out of football, boys. Out of football.
There you go. You woke up the sleeping giant. Now you come out and you play the best 30 minutes of football that you can.
My bad.
Hey, you know you just sealed it right there. What? Because every game you spit on me, we win. Every game.
The Patriots are known under Bill Belichick of being outstanding in-game situations and making adjustments once you come out of halftime. You know that the game is not over.
You gotta do nothing special, man. Just keep doing what you did in the first half. That's how you gotta do it.
Believe, baby. Believe. Believe.
Here come the Jags, leading 14-10 to start the second half.
They running it. They running it.
Toss to the left to Leonard Fournette. Leonard cuts it up. He's got room inside the 30-yard line of the Patriots. Terrific run by Leonard Fournette. 43-yarder from the right hash. Josh kicks it up, and the field goal is good. Josh Lambo has been money, and it's a 2-possession lead. 20-10 Jaguars with 14:52 to play.
Hey, we got to play with that swag. It's on us. We got to play with that swag. It's on us.
Play fake to Lewis, and now throw back to Danny Amendola, looking to throw it. He's going to wing it back to Deion Lewis left side, and he's going to run ahead to the 50. To the 45-40. Deion Lewis left side 35, tackled by Miles Jack. The ball came out, and Jacksonville has it.
No, we got the ball.
Jack took it away from Lewis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, Deion, let's get ready to make the play. Let's get ready to make the next one. Let's go. That's a hell of a play, man. We never said it was going to be easy. We just said we was going to get it done. Whatever it takes.
Move 20 seconds. This time he's going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. This is 3rd and 18. Looking, fires to the middle of the field, and that ball is going to be caught for a first down.
That's a killer.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
The clock at 9 minutes. Tom looks down the middle, throws down the middle, catch by Amendola, turns to the outside, dives to the end zone. Touchdown, Patriots!
We got life.
Big time, baby. That's what I do. Let's go.
Playoff Amendola is back.
Super Bowl, here we come, baby.
I said, fourth quarter, they're going to try to turn up. We got to be on our P's and Q's first.
Great opportunity right here, boys.
Can Jacksonville hang on to a 3-point lead in Foxborough?
He takes the snap. He play fakes to White.
Let's go, don't look.
He looks down the middle. He fires, and the ball is caught in the back of the end zone by Danny Amendola. Touchdown, Patriots! He made the grab just inside the end line. Jacksonville will have to score a touchdown with 2:48 to go.
Listen. We got to believe right here, right now in this job, we're going to score. Don't have no doubt. Blake, throw that, catch that. You dig? This is our game.
Hey, 4 plays, and win the Super Bowl. 4 plays.
4th and 15 from New England's 43.
This is it.
Biggest play of the season, obviously, for Blake Bortles.
Low snap to Bortles, backs up, pressured by Harrison. Bortles runs up and throws deep downfield, and the throw is knocked away by Gilmore. Stephon Gilmore leaving his feet, reaching out with his right hand.
Hey, that's why you're here, bro. Way to step up, bro. Go. It ain't over.
3rd down and 9 for the Patriots, 1:38 to go. Brady with a handoff to Lewis. Deion runs into the left, trying to get outside to the 50. Lewis has a first down and more. The Patriots are bound for Super Bowl 52.
That's how you guys. Got it, baby. Love you, buddy. Come on.
The pain and the anguish that these guys are feeling right now, I hurt for them because they're hurting, and it's a miserable feeling.
Gosh, it was so close.
I know that you hurt, dog. Believe me, I've been in the same position you've been in. You did your thing.
Got all the respect for you, Bob. You feel me?
Yeah, man.
Robert Kraft, along with Bill Belichick and Tom Brady, have their 27th playoff win and their 8th conference championship together.
What a game. We're going to the Super Bowl. I love you. I love you, bro. We're going to the Super Bowl.
I don't care about nothing else. I just want to feel this. This I want to feel. Yeah. There you go, man.
Another one.
Way to go. Get it. Let's go get it. Let's go get it.
Unbelievable.